To use the help chat in Weebly, start by opening a web browser and navigating to Weebly.com. Click the Sign In option at the top right. Then enter your email and password to access your website. Once logged in, you can view your website's overview, which includes options for website items, orders, fulfillment reports, marketing communications, and settings. You can edit your site by clicking the relevant button, and also access upgrade options, support, and setup guides. For assistance, click the support button, which will take you to the Weebly Support Center or Help Center. Here, you can browse suggested articles, the knowledge base, and topics such as building your website, account management, and email marketing. Additionally, you can click on Keep Learning to find community resources or Contact Us to reach out for help. The Contact Us option will open a page featuring a support assistant, an AI-powered tool that can help with various Weebly-related issues. Simply type in your topic of interest, and the assistant will provide FAQs, guides, and helpful suggestions to aid in creating and maintaining your website. This support assistant is available from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and can be accessed through the Help Center.